How to restart Roku TV. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to restart Roku TV. Now let's get right into the tutorial. A system restart is the least invasive reset method. If you have a Roku TV, it is not the same as pressing the power button on the remote or the physical power button on the TV itself. Instead, a system restart is performed by removing the power cord from your Roku device for at least 10 seconds before plugging it back in. If reaching the power code is inconvenient, you can also use the instructions below to perform a system restart from the settings menu. So the first step is press home button on your Roku remote. Next, scroll and select settings. Next, select the system option and then select power. If you do not see a power submenu, skip to the next step. Now you will see the option for system restart. Select that. In either case, your Roku device will complete a system restart and hopefully return to normal operation after a moment. So this is how you can restart a Roku TV. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.